Hey guys, have you ever traveled and you thought to yourself, do I really need this insurance, this travel insurance? Do I really want to spend the money on this? I'm only going to be there a few days. Should I get it or should I not? Well, have to confess, I did. So I want to talk about that tonight. So welcome to Tuesday Tea Time and Insurance Tips. I'm Sybil Green Padilla. I am a broker and agent of Green Insurance Solutions, and I'm here every Tuesday to provide you wonderful insurance topics, need to knows, fun facts about the world of insurance. So as always, thank you for joining me. Grab your tea. I'm drinking green tea with honey and lemon. Delicious. I hope you have something good. So let's get our tea and let's talk about it a little bit. So I am back and I'm rested. My husband and I just came back from a wonderful trip and I feel fabulous. Needed some well-needed rest. So I'm here tonight about a great topic that I just experienced this past week about travel insurance. I thought it'd be great to bring it to you because a lot of people don't know about the perks of travel insurance. Now, disclaimer here, I don't sell travel insurance, but I did purchase it and I thought it would be interesting for you guys who are kind of on the fence whether you should get it when you travel, what it all incurs. Now, every company, of course, I always tell you that is different. You have to do your due diligence. You have to check on the companies, who offers what, who offers this, and who offers that. But most time when you book a trip with Expedia or J&S Travel, you always will have an option to buy insurance. And tonight we're talking about, do you really need it? Should you get it? And I am going to say absolutely. But I'm going to tell you why. So stick with me, okay? Tonight I'm going to share with you the policy that we bought and what it covered. A lot of nice things. But before we do that, let's talk about what insurance is really for. It's for the unexpected. It's paying for peace of mind for yourself, for your family, any type of insurance we talk about. As you all know, I sell final expense, mortgage protection, and some other things, but it gives peace of mind to your family upon your death. Or, it lets the family pay off the house when you're gone, or when you retire. It gives you that extra security blanket that you need when you retire. So insurance could do a lot of great things, okay? When we always think of insurance, we always think of the bad, but insurance can be a blessing. Insurance can help you leave legacies, a lot of that. But insurance is for the unexpected. You're paying for the unknown. Every time we pay our premiums, we don't know if it's going to be this month that we're going to die, or this month we're going to have the accident, or this month we're going to need that medical benefit. But we pay them and it gives you peace of mind. And I have to say, I did toggle with it for a little bit because I was like, man, that's some extra shopping money. And it was only about a little over $100. But it was such a short trip. I was like, do we really need it? Is something going to happen? But it really, once, we decided to do it, I had such a peace of mind. So I wanted to bring that because insurance, the travel insurance really, and insurance in general, just gives you peace of mind that, hey, if something happened, I'm taken care of. And who likes to be caught off guard? Who likes to be unprepared? I know I don't. So I like to be prepared. So insurance helps you to be prepared for the unexpected, prepared for the financial tsunamis, to be prepared for the devastations that financial loss can bring. So think of it that way. Think of the insurance in a positive way. Don't think about, like I have a lot of clients say, I pay all the time and nothing happens. Well, see the glass half full, not half empty. Nothing happens. That means you're still living, guys. That means you're still breathing. It means the roof is still on the house. That means the car is not total and you're still alive. So rejoice in that you have peace of mind, that if something happened, you're not leaving any burden. You're giving peace of mind to yourself, to your family. So that's how I like you to see it tonight, okay? Because look at the sprinklers in our home, in our buildings, fire alarms, ADT burglar alarms. We're not expecting someone to rob us. We're not expecting the fire to have a big fire, but the sprinklers are there, the ADT burglary burglar system is there just in case something happens. You just want to be prepared. So that's what insurance allows you to do. So that's what I wanted to talk about. Okay. So let's talk about this insurance now. I don't, like to, talk about any particular company because I don't know. I don't sell, just to leave a disclaimer, I don't sell travel insurance. I had to get it myself. I had to do my due diligence on what we were going to get. But it was some nice little perks that you should look at, and everybody should, decide which company you want to use for your travel insurance. So I'm not here to, to actually, talk about a certain company, just talk about travel insurance. There's several companies out there. But this particular one, we had an emergency accidental sickness medical expense payout. They were going to give up to $75,000. It provides coverage for any medical expenses that resulted for like an unforeseen accident or sickness. We went on a cruise with food that got sick or something of that sort. This policy would have covered us up to $75,000. We only paid a little over $100 for the insurance. This would only cover of course, while you're traveling. Also, too, any type of, if they have to remove your remains, your body, this policy gave a benefit to ensure that your body would be transferred to a hospital to get you home. That's the worst thing you can do is be stuck in a foreign country, foreign city, and you can't get back home. I had a friend that had a heart attack in California. She lived in Alabama and had a heart attack in California and died. And because there was no money, the family, it took several weeks for them to get the money to get her back home. Okay, so you don't want that. So you want to have this particular policy was going to provide emergency medical evacuation of our body up to $600,000. Okay, now there wasn't $600,000, says up to. Okay, so this gets transferred our body to home or to a hospital for any unforeseen medical emergencies. Okay, trip delays. How many of us have trip delays? Yeah, this policy covered trip delays. Up to $2,000 you could file a claim if there was a trip delay. Now, this would have to be 6 or more hour trip delays, okay? Or if you're en route to your trip and something happened, like say a flat tire, you missed your flight, or something during or returning home from your trip. These are all the things that this policy included. Let's see. And also food, hotel and food expenses up to $200 a day that they provided. So these are some good things that you never think about that you would need, but this policy did provide. Okay, so the medical coverage, we talked about the trip delay. Also, too, what I wanted to share is the baggage delay. Like if you're flying, now we were on a cruise, on a boat, so, but any baggage delay, if you lose your baggage, there's like a, $400 benefit limit that they gave there. Let's see. Itinerary change. That's a huge one. How many times has the airlines changed the itinerary? Ship, could have changed itinerary. They had up to $500 benefit limit for that. Misconnection, you missed your flight. That's a $750 benefit they were giving. Now they have a political and security evacuation that they had in this policy too that we bought, which is $100,000. Okay, that's pretty steep, pretty deep there. Let's see. And I think lost or stolen, anything lost or stolen, that was covered. Baggage, personal effects, lost, stolen, or damaged. How many times have you, I know I have got a damaged suitcase where they just threw it around and it was damaged. Yeah, that's a $1,500 payout that they would have gave. Now, you put beneficiaries on this as well. cancellation if a flight was canceled. I think I told you about that. But I thought this was pretty neat for some of the things that they were offering for with this insurance. So, take a look at it. It's really an awesome thing to have. So I just wanted to share that with you, that it was well worth that $100, because if any of these things would have happened, we would have got our money back, 6 times, 10 times more than what we invested. So that's what you have to think about, okay? If something happened. And remember, guys, it was such a peace of mind knowing that we can enjoy the trip. If something happened, we would be covered. We wouldn't be stuck somewhere. So I hope you enjoyed that. I thought it was a great point to bring up. Get the travel insurance. Just do your due diligence. They have great companies out there. You might find a company that offers more than what this company offered, but at least get it. Get that peace of mind that you need. Okay, so I hope that was great information for you. And if you find my information valuable at all, please like, share, and subscribe. You should see a subscribe button, and hit the bell so you can get notifications every time I upload, okay? So thank you so much for joining, and I hope to see you next week on Tuesday Tea Time. Bye-bye.